In this video, we will see about DCL statements. DCL expansion is Data Control Language. DCL statements are grant, revoke. Before start this topic, first we will see how to create new user on Oracle database. I will open SQL Developer tool. Right click on this icon. Go to properties. If you see here username system. First we will see how to create this type of username. I will open command prompt. Currently we have local directory like C directory. If want to connect Oracle database, we should use sqlplus /as sysdba. If you use this command, it will connect as a admin user. Okay. Connected to Oracle database 23i. Now we have successfully connected Oracle database. First, we will see how to create one new user. Create user username she as Pavunu. Identified by password 123. Okay, now we have created one new user. This is the syntax. Create user username. She as Pavun is the username. She as indicates it is the common username. 123 is the password. Okay, I will open one more command prompt. To differentiate, I will mark it as red color. Okay. Now I will connect that she as Pavun user here. SQL plus she as Pavunu / password is 123. Okay, I am getting some error. Login denied. User she as Pavunu does not have create session privileges. Some privilege issue. Now I will give privileges. Grant. Grant means give the permission. Give the permission or privileges. Okay. Grant. Create session to she as Pavunu. Grant succeeded. Now I will try to connect again. Username is she as Pavunu. Password is 123. Okay, now Oracle database 23i successfully connected. Okay, now we will check we are working under which user. Show user. If you use this command, it will display the current username. The username is sys. Show user. This username is she as Pavunu. First command prompt is sys user. The second command prompt is c # Pavunu user. Okay, under sys user, I will create one table T1. Now I will try to access this sys T1 table from Pavunu user. It will throw error. Because this table created under sys user, so another user cannot access. Okay, first we will see. If you use cl space ser, it will clear the screen. Show user. Cl space ser, clear the screen. Show user. This is Pavunu user. Okay, now I will create one table under sys user. Create table, table name. A is the column name. Number is the data type. Now I have created one table. I will insert one record. insert into T1 values 10. Okay, now I will use commit. Commit means save. Select star from T1. Okay, I have inserted one record. The value is 10. I am able to access from sys user. The 10 is available. I will try to access the same table from Pavunu user. Select star from sys user. Table name is T1. Sys is the username. I am accessing sys user T1 table. I am getting error. Table or view sys.t1 does not exist. That means this Pavunu user does not have proper privileges. That's what error throwing. Okay, now I will give privileges. Grant select on table name to she as Pavunu. This is the syntax to give privileges to other user. Grant succeeded. Grant I will give select privileges on T1 table to see as Pavunu user. Now I am trying to access. Select star from sys.t1. Okay, now I am able to access. Initially I am unable to access. After that I will give grant privileges for T1 table. After that I am able to access. Okay. Now I want to remove already given privileges. We will see how it is possible. Revoke means remove already given privileges or permissions. If you use revoke command, it will remove the already existing privileges. I will use revoke command. Revoke select on table name from she as Pavunu. Revoke succeeded. If I try to access this same table, we cannot access because we removed the permission. Okay, again I am getting the same error message. Revoke for T1 table. Once revoke happened, we cannot access this T1 table from Pavunu user. Okay, now we will see how to change Pavunu user password. I will exit. If you use exit command, it will exit from the Oracle database. Exit from that user. Okay, disconnected Oracle database. CL space SCR, it will clear the screen. Now I want to modify she as Pavunu user password. Alter user username she as Pavunu. Identified by password 1234. Previously I gave 123. Now I will give 1234. Now password changed for she as Pavunu user. Okay, again I will try to connect. SQL plus username she as Pavunu. Password is 1234. Okay, again I connected Oracle database 23AI. If you use alter command, it will change the password of the user. Okay, next we will see how to drop this user. CL space SCR. Okay, currently we have connected she as Pavunu user here. If I drop, it will throw error. Drop user username she as Pavunu. Cannot drop a user who is currently connected because already we connected here. First we need to exit from here. Okay, now exited. Now again I will drop this user. Drop user username. User dropped. So going forward we cannot connect she as Pavunu user because we already deleted that user. SQL plus she as Pavunu password 1234. I am getting error invalid credential or not authorized logon denied because we dropped this user, so we cannot going forward we cannot connect this Pavunu user. Okay, the main purpose of the DCL statement, if one user created one table the another user cannot access. If want to access we should give some privileges by using grant keyword. If already provided the privileges, if want to remove we should use revoke keyword. That is the main purpose of the DCL statements. Thanks for watching this video.